Namaste everyone, I am Vedika, your Hindi tutor from Communica, and today I am back with another video. I will be teaching you past tense in this video. Well, there are various kinds of past tense, but we are just going to have a brief introduction about past tense and how to make simple sentences with past tense. So let us get started. Whenever the subject of our sentence is masculine and singular, the sentence will always end with tha. Repeat after me. Tha. The sentence will always end with tha. For example, मेरा भाई लूडो खेल रहा था. लूडो खेल रहा था. मेरा भाई लूडो खेल रहा था, which means my brother was playing ludo. Now the subject of this sentence is singular and masculine. That is why our sentence is ending with tha. Similarly, when the subject is feminine and singular, then the sentence will end with thi. The sentence will end with thi. For example, Rita खाना बना रही थी. Rita खाना बना रही थी, which means Rita was cooking food. Now the subject is feminine and singular. That is why our sentence is ending with thi. Let's look at one more example. रोहिणी काम कर रही थी. रोहिणी काम कर रही थी, which means Rohini was doing work. Again, the subject is feminine and singular. That is why the sentence is ending with thi. Now, when the subject is masculine and plural, that time the sentence will end with the. For example, मजदूर काम कर रहे थे. मजदूर काम कर रहे थे. मजदूर here means laborers. Laborers were working. मजदूर काम कर रहे थे. Now the subject is plural as well as masculine. That is why the sentence is ending with the. Now, while using the, you will also remember when the subject is masculine and singular, but the person you are addressing with respect. That time the sentence will end with the. For example, मेरे पापा, the subject is masculine and singular, but he is someone I address with respect. That's why I will end the sentence with the. मेरे पापा दफ्तर जा रहे थे. मेरे पापा दफ्तर जा रहे थे, which means my father was going to office. Now, the last case, when the subject is feminine and plural, that time the sentence will end with thi. Repeat after me. Thi. The sentence will end with thi. For example, महिलाएं जागरण कर रही थीं. जागरण कर रही थीं. The subject here is feminine and plural. That's why the sentence is ending with thi. I hope you got clarity with this topic. Also, you can let me know your doubts or queries in the comment section. I will try clarifying them in my upcoming videos. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Dhanyavad. Namaste.